Are you ready to get your business found online? Let's jump into your listings dashboard. Your new listings dashboard has a couple of tools that apply to your business's listing needs. With Google Insights, you can track the performance of your Google My Business listing right from within your listings dashboard. You can unlock valuable information on your customers' interactions, like the number of website visits, phone calls, and requests for driving directions you receive. We're providing you a mobile-optimized business listing called My Listing. This instantly provides you with another place for your customers to find your business online, and is fun and easy to customize. With listing distribution, you can see where your business's listing information sits on the 4 major data providers: Factual, Axiom, Newstar, and Infogroup. These 4 companies provide data to over 300 listings online, so it's super important that they have your business's correct info. And with Listing Sync, you'll be able to send your correct listing data across Google, Facebook, and Twitter instantly. You can also upgrade to our Listing Sync Pro solution, which will send correct data to anywhere from 25 to 40 additional sites. This number varies depending on whether the sites are relevant or not to your business. When you first log in, you'll be greeted with the Overview dashboard. This summarizes all of your information in one spot, so you can get a bird's eye view on how your business has been performing. At any time, you can take a quick tour here to get a refresher on what each of these panels mean. We recommend getting started by completing your business profile. This will ensure all of the info that we're pushing out about your business is 100% correct. It's worth it to fill in as many details as possible. Once done, click Save. Let's start by clicking on the Google Insights tab. With Google My Business Insights within your listings dashboard, you'll be able to track the performance of your Google listing, including the number of website visits, phone calls, and requests for driving directions you receive. You'll be greeted with a way to connect your account. If you don't already have a Google My Business account, click here for more information on how to sign up. Next, you'll need to authenticate with Google and select your business from the list. And that's it. Once you connect your account, it could take up to 10 minutes to start populating. Once it's ready, your listings dashboard will start pulling in information about your customers' interactions with your Google My Business listing. You'll see information on how customers search for your business, where customers view your business on Google, the most common actions that customers take on your listing, how many times customers call your business, and how many times customers request driving directions to your business. Connect your Google My Business account and unlock valuable insights on how customers interact with your business listing. Next, let's check out My Listing. What is it? It's super exciting. Just for accessing our listings product, we're providing you with a mobile responsive listing that's already available to be found by consumers online. My Listing is as simple as it sounds. A listing for your business that contains essential information. You can use it however you like. For most businesses, this will likely be an individual page. But for chains or franchises, My Listing can act as part of a store locator section from your main website. For smaller businesses that might not yet have a website, or those that haven't updated their website in years, My Listing can also function as an inexpensive microsite on a custom domain. Contact us for more information. Let's take a look at how My Listing looks by default. Click on View My Listing. This is live online right now, and you can send the URL at the top to anyone for access. Now, let's take a few minutes to customize My Listing. You can upload images for custom branding and add pages for pictures, videos, coupons, and more. These are all super easy to update. With just a little bit of effort, you can make these look great. When building the site, we suggest that you customize the theme, branding, and domain before adding any additional pages. Let's check out the Themes sub-tab. There are 4 unique themes to choose from. The default design is responsive. It will automatically format to the customer's screen, smartphone, tablet, or desktop. We recommend you stick with the default, but there might be situations to use a different theme. Now on to branding. Effective branding is important for every business. Here, you can upload your business's logo. Upload a favicon. This is the icon that appears in the Browser tab. upload a mobile shortcut icon. This appears when a customer bookmarks the listing on their mobile device. Hide your general information from your listing. You may want to do this if you do not have a physical location and would not have an address to display in this section. Customize the background images and color. Make sure to adhere to the recommended specifications. Customize the color. Oh, and don't forget to add a business tagline. This is displayed beneath the logo. Save your changes and reload the page by clicking View My Listing at the top. Looks great so far. Now that we're done selecting a theme and optimizing our branding, let's add some pages. There are 6 types of pages: videos, custom, contact, images, coupons, and reviews. Home and review pages are automatically created. To start, let's edit the home page. The tab position, heading, and tab name can be easily edited. By default, home page is the first tab and titled Home. Meta keywords can be used by search engines to rank websites. A meta description is the 2 lines of text that appear below the link in a search. This description should be clear and concise, approximately 150 characters in length. For the body of each page, there's 2 content boxes, top and bottom. Content can be copied and pasted from an existing website to match formatting. For advanced users, there is also an area to enter HTML. When finished entering in all applicable items, click Save. And just like that, refresh the My Listing page to see the changes. Each of the 5 types of pages is unique and is valuable when building a listing. Video pages increase engagement. URLs can simply be entered from popular video streaming sites like YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia. By default, the home page is a custom page. Additional custom pages can also be added. Contact pages provide direct email communication between you and your customers. Easily upload and create an image page to build a photo gallery. Coupon pages hold value for your customers as they help generate new sales opportunities and drive repeat business. The reviews page helps to collect and generate reviews. This page is enabled by default. Speaking of which, let's talk about generating reviews. This tab empowers you to easily collect new reviews and capture the voice of your customers. Our review generation system allows you to exercise control over the feedback you receive. For more information on developing a strategy on generating more reviews for your business, please contact us. Okay, back to editing a page on My Listing. It's important to remember that the tab name, position, and meta description can be easily edited or deleted altogether by clicking Edit. And as a reminder, at any time during the editing process, changes can be viewed by clicking My Listing page up here. To promote this page, you can use this unique QR code. All right, let's dive deeper into some of the more advanced features of My Listing. Under Domains, you can customize the location hostname or slug. You might want to make this something simple if your business name is long or complex. Below this, you'll see the mobile redirect script. If your main website is not mobile optimized, the redirect script can be used to direct mobile traffic to this responsive listing. Once the script is installed, you can test it out here. Next is campaign tracking. If your client is setting up campaigns in ad-serving networks like AdWords, they can use these tag generators to build URLs that can be placed into these networks. Using them will help improve campaign tracking and reporting. And finally, we have analytics. Use this area to view site analytics from the past 2 weeks. Now it's time for one final look at this listing. Boom! Looks great. Listing distribution is key in helping your business build your online presence. When you access the Listing Distribution tab, you'll see in detail how your business appears on the 4 major data aggregators: Infogroup, Axiom, Factual, and Newstar, Localese. If you notice that any of your listing information contains errors or isn't found on these providers, that should be a red flag. Particularly, if much of the information contains errors, this means that the data providers are distributing incorrect data to their online listing sources. If you notice lots of green check marks, great work. However, you can still benefit from ensuring this data is maintained. When listing distribution is activated, we'll send your business's data to the data providers over the next few months. This process can take a while, so check back with this dashboard periodically for updates. Also, you will notice the status icons will show green arrows. This means your information has been sent and is pending changes by the data provider. From there, your information will show up as either data synced. This means the data provider has accepted your information and will update or add your information on their system. It may take up to 6 weeks to begin seeing this confirmation. Or data rejected. This means your information was not accepted by the data provider. Your info can be rejected for a variety of reasons. For example, a third party has already claimed the listing, the zip code is not formatted properly, or the data provider does not accept toll-free numbers. You'll be able to see the reason by clicking on the Show Details link. Further down the page, you'll notice a second section of information called Additional Listing Data. Here, you are able to send out even more information about your business. Not all data providers accept this type of enhanced information. In these cases, you will see the Not Applicable label. If you go into the Listing Accuracy tab, you will see reporting on the accuracy of your primary data. Looking further down the page, you will see that we do not currently report on the accuracy of the additional listing data fields. However, we do show that the information has been successfully sent to the data providers. If you ever need to make changes to your business's data, you can click Edit on any of the data fields to go to your business profile. If you would like to activate listing distribution, please contact us and we'll walk you through the details. You can also watch the overview video here. Finally, let's head over to the Listing Sync tab. Listing Sync is a solution that allows you to instantly sync your contact information to Google, Facebook, and Twitter. This helps ensure accurate and consistent data on your profiles without having to visit each individual site to make changes. It's that simple. Remember, Listing Sync grabs your data from the Business Profile tab, and each profile will sync different data. For example, Facebook will sync your phone number, while Twitter does not. Click on the blue tooltip icons to learn more about the data that each site uses. If you'd like to set up Listing Sync, click Connect beside each site, then log into your account. It'll then ask for permission to access the account and update your business's data. Afterwards, click here to activate the sync. Or, if you're not ready to sync, switch it on at any time in the future. Once activated, the software will indicate that the sync was successful. Afterwards, any changes you make to your business profile will automatically sync to the connected profiles. It's great that you can now have consistent business information on Facebook, Google+, and Twitter. But what about everywhere else online? With Listing Sync Pro, you can instantly create and maintain accurate listings on reputable sites like Bing Maps and Instagram. By activating Listing Sync Pro, the majority of listing sites you see here will update within 15 minutes to an hour. Best of all, there's no need for you to have accounts and authenticate to any of these sites. Do note that this time frame excludes Shopping Time Network, which can take 48 to 72 hours, and Nokia Here and the various GPS systems, which can take 60 to 90 days. To learn more about Listing Sync, watch the overview video here, and reach out to us if you wish to activate Listing Sync Pro. We're all done our tour. Enjoy making the most out of your listings dashboard each day by building your business's online presence. Best of luck!